Good morning to one and all. My name is Abhinav. Here we are going to show the basic AI research AI. As you can see, we are first submitting the document and AI loads that. We can use summarize AI to get the given documents. It takes a small amount of time. As you can see, there are various models. We can allow critical thinking. There is also optional context, etc. By dragging and dropping the AI files, we can get the given document. Again, we got an error here, but we can try again using the same thing. We can get the given summary for the given AI application. Here is the given summary. There are various concepts. We can also ask questions for the research paper. It gives us any key insights. For example, here I'm asking to provide me any key insights. When I run AI research, uses LLM to ask whether the given points can be given for the key insights. When as AI research is coming, we can get insight. It also has ability to store multiple informations, multiple questions. Here are fine-tuned controls where we can control temperature, topic, etc. We can see that we can add large amount of files up to 200 GB. We can add instruction optionals and URL to summarize, and we have an enabled critical thinking for using pro models. As we can see, we got the given result where there are various text and answers. There is also citations for the given project. We can also add more questions which can be which stores under the database, and we can refer afterwards. We can see we are asking for 80% of the main points. As we can see, when we are studying for any research, we require 80% of the main points to understand the complete topic, and that 80% points can be summarized through AI. As you can see, as it is running, there are mentioned. We can see the fact that the given summary use various concepts such as blockchain, Web3, etc. from a given topic. It gives us a proper way to understand what's happening in the given project. As you can see, we got the given token. It also contains the previous history, and we can control the fine-tuned tokens, and we can go to the quiz options where we can choose number of quizzes from the given pack. The quizzes will give certain amount of answers. We can use generate quizzes to create a flashcards and dashboards, and each dashboard can give us a question and answer. As you can see, there are various questions along with answers through which we can test. It is one of the best ways to understand and understand a research paper. We can also get a text-based questions and text-based answer through which we can test base. We can also evaluate our answers, such as here I am typing AI and blockchain, which can be analyzed by AI to give us suggestions, which can be evaluated by AI to give us suggestions. As you can see, as loading, we can see there are various feedbacks for correctness, missing points, and him to improve in the given process. There is also dashboard section in which we can generate various dashboards. Before continuing various dashboards, we can see it takes a lot of time to convert various dashboards. Before that, we can see that there is a 3-part section for chart section, quiz section, and dashboard section. It is important for AI research because chart section allows us to ask various prompts questions and various other questions, whereas this is an optional URL context where we can add more context for the given answer. There is also enable critical answer where we can go research. The modes have research and student option, and we have system instructions and fine-tune controls. We can set an API key to Gemini. Currently we are using Gemini API key and Streamlit application. We have chart, quiz, and dashboards for the given applications. As you can see, dashboards are taking a lot of time, but they are also worth it because we get various dashboards from KPIs to flowcharts to bar graphs and line graphs, etc. on the given dashboards, which is given analyzed easily by the AI. As we are waiting for the dashboard to finish, we can see as dashboard to finish. It's an AI assistant through which we can understand and develop and summarize various contributions and various processes. As you can see, we got an KPI, we got a frequency use technology, application location, and various information, etc. These can be converted. Thank you, and that is our project.